Hello children, welcome to English class. In this class we are going to learn the poem Special Hero from the first unit. This poem is written by Christina M. Herson. In this poem, the poetess is telling about her father's love. The poet describes her father's love and care towards her. When she was a baby, he held her in his arms. She felt his love and kindness. He always kept her safe from harm. So when we are asked who is your first hero in your life, means everyone would like to say that our father only. The same way here, the poetess also telling that her father is the special hero in her life. So now let us see the line. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. When I was a baby, here this I refer to the poet. When I was a baby, when the poetess was a baby, you would hold me. You refers to her father. You would hold me in your arms. You father, you keep me in your arms, in your hands. That is, her father used to keep her in his arms. I felt the love and tenderness. When her father was keeping her in his hands, the poet felt the love and tenderness. Tenderness means here the kindness, gentleness. Keeping me safe from harm. Harm, any danger. When the father was keeping her in his hand, she felt very safe. He was keeping her away from all the danger. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. I would look up into your eyes. When the father was keeping her in his hand, she used to look up into his eyes, and all the love I would see. She was able to see the love in his eyes. How did I get so lucky? I feel, the poet says that she feels very lucky. For what she was lucky means, you were the dad chosen for me. He has come as a dad to her. That is, she has got a good father in her life. So she says that she is very lucky having him as his father. I would look up into your eyes and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. I will look up into your eyes. The poetess father was having her in his hand. At that time, as a child, she used to look up into his eyes and all the love I would see. When she was looking into the eyes of the father, she was able to see the love in his eyes for her. How did I get so lucky? Here the poetess felt that she was so lucky. For what means, you were the dad chosen for me. Her father had become as dad for her. That is, she was telling that I was very lucky having you as my dad. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. There is something special about a father's love. Always we used to speak about our mother's love, but nobody can feel the father's love. That's why here the poetess is telling that there is something special about a father's love. If your father shows the kindness or if the father is strict towards us, behind it there is a love. So for that one is telling that there is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me. I feel that It was specially sent to me, sent to her from some place up above. Here, that place up above refers to heaven. God has sent you as my dad from heaven. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. Our love is everlasting. Everlasting means continuing forever. However birth we take, our love is everlasting. It will continue. I just wanted you to know. I wanted to express myself that I feel very happy to have you as my dad. Just I wanted to you tell this that you are my special hero. So in my life you are the special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. Even now I wanted to tell you that always you are the special hero in my life. So children, in everyone's life, if we ask who is the special hero, means this is the answer from everyone. That is our father only, our special hero. I hope you would have understood the poem, and if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment, and also you can subscribe our channel. Thank you.